All right, this is a very, very brief introduction to paper P1 and management accounting. And brief because you already appreciate we've got a series of lectures going through the whole syllabus, and I'm not going to attempt to go through the syllabus here. But essentially, this paper starts off by discussing what we actually mean by management accounting, and then progresses looking at various techniques that can be useful, and there's quite a lot of discussive side to it as opposed to calculations, but discussing things that companies should be considering as part of the management accounting process. Now, to start going through all that now would be rather silly because, as I've said, there's a series of lectures going through chapter by chapter all the syllabus, and quite a lot of it, to be honest, or certainly the early bits of it, should be familiar already to you from your earlier studies. But because I don't know what earlier studies you've done or how long ago it was or how happy you were with it, most of it is revised anyway. But what you should be doing is, first of all, do download our free lecture notes. And print them off. The notes aren't meant to be a study text. They're meant to be used with the lectures. They are simply lecture notes. And so once you've downloaded and printed them off, watch the lectures. You'll find in the lectures we work through any numerical examples I work through in the lectures, and we explain and we expand on what's printed in the notes. So it is important you have the notes in front of you, but it's equally important that you watch the lectures that go with them. When you've watched all the lectures, you will have covered, well, everything that's important for the exam, but what is vital is that you get plenty of practice at exam standard questions. And so you must buy an exam kit. The approved publisher is Kaplan. You must buy an exam kit, and you must work through the questions, and all of them, and work through them properly. Don't just audit the answers. Have a go at all the questions yourself, then look at the answer. And insofar as you couldn't do the question or you got it wrong, obviously then learn from the answer. And don't write in your exam kit, because once you've done all the questions, whether you got them right or whether you got them wrong, you want to go back and do them all again. And hopefully when you do them all again, those that you got wrong first time, you've learned from your mistakes and you'll get right second time. But you see, if you've written in the exam kit, you've written what the answer was, it becomes a bit stupid trying to do the same question again. As you're going through, if you have any problems understanding anything in the lectures or understanding any of the answers in your exam kit, then do use the CIMA P1 forums. You'll find on the website there's a link to forums. If you find CIMA P1, ask about problems and one of our tutors will help you.